Most kids are big. Even Diego's big. We're going to line up so Bill can go.
Where are they going again?
To my Aunt Chloe's house. They'll have to be in a big line to go there. To be in the biggest line so they'll have to go all the way to my Aunt Chloe's house. To go inside.
What are they going to do when they get there?
They're going to get candy.
Oh.
But even a goat is dressed up.
Oh, what's the goat dressed up as?
A goat.
Oh.
That's a good costume.
Mm-hmm. What are the other animals dressed up as?
Dingo's dressed up as Dingo.
Oh.
They're dressed up as Bear.
Oh. They're dressed up as themselves. What are you dressed up as?
I do a jellyfish.
A jellyfish?